I'm shook. My wig flew off. I'm shook to the core. I'm snatched.
Yeah,
I'm
get that attitude in there. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be super fun because we're going to be glamming my Aunt Lee. I'm so excited. She's in from North Carolina, so we wanted to glam her on my channel, and I know she's really excited to be here. And we're definitely going to get her glam, so if you guys would like to see what we can do and see what kind of glam we can get going on with her, just keep watching. So I'm just going to go over her face with a little bit of some Flower Beauty Light Illusion foundation, just to give me a base. It's probably going to be a little light for her, but we'll make it work. Do you have normal, dry, or oily skin?
Normal.
Okay, that's good. Do you prefer a dewy or matte finish? Like, do you like your skin to look
dewy.
really... Okay, don't crease. Don't crease. That's my chair. Not me. What kind of foundation do you normally wear?
The It foundation.
I have that.
The CC cream.
It's so
and
good. This.
The foundation.
This is my absolute favorite for the summer.
Oh, it's expensive.
I know it is. It's like $40, but it won't
It
run
lasts
out.
a long time.
Yeah, because it's
I
got
wear it
sunscreen
year
in it.
round.
Okay, so for concealer, I really want to brighten up her under eyes.
Yes.
So we're gonna go with the lightest concealer I own. Really get that darkness in the inner corner. And then I'll top it off with a little bit of a Naked Skin concealer. You want to cover up the circles, but also blend in with your natural skin tone. You don't want it to be too...
Well, I wear glasses too.
Yeah,
so.
you wear glasses, so we'll make sure we get like the tip of your nose, the bridge.
And that's what you're using?
It's Naked Skin concealer.
You're supposed to make a triangle.
See how much, like, look at that side of your face.
I can't see.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Okay, so then I'm just gonna set you with just a little bit of powder, and since you have normal skin, I'm just gonna lightly dust it on your under eye, because that's really all the powder we need, and this is just a translucent
Well, yeah, I
powder.
don't want to go home and swim and mess my makeup.
So I'm gonna go ahead and contour and bronze her. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. This is a super pigmented palette, so I want to be very careful not to overdo her contour. So we're just gonna really accentuate your cheekbones. And it's good.
Quit laughing.
Bring out some definition. See the difference?
Well, how do you know
Fail
what
badly.
colored?
Oh,
Usually go for a cooler tone product, because you want a cooler tone contour and a warm tone bronzer. Always contour a little bit up at the hairline too, so it doesn't look like you have a foundation mask on.
Yes, we don't want that.
I like to contour just at the very tip of the nose and right under the lip, and for a poutier look.
And what brush?
I'm just using an e.l.f. blush brush, because for me I like to contour with a smaller brush,
Okay,
so you can have more control.
so you don't have a brush for contouring.
Well, if you want a cheap one, this one's like $1 from Wet n Wild, and how it's angled, you can really get in your cheekbones. So for blush, I always use my Tarte Blush Bliss palette because I have a lot of options. And for her, I'm probably just gonna add a little bit of Breathtaking, which is a little bit of a purple tone pink.
It looks kind of bright.
It's not though. But you do want to bring out some brightness back just to the center of your face. So we're doing that with blush instead of concealer. There you go. Now I can see where to put it. Okay, so now I'm going to go over it. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with a little bit of my butter bronzer. Smell it. It smells good. It smells like
good.
vacation.
It does.
vacation.
And I'm just going to go back
Coconutty.
over the perimeter of her skin to give her that sun-kissed glow back. I wish I could have seen the video we filmed, because
I know.
we laughed the whole time. And you really want to contour the jawline and down the neck, because it casts a shadow down there, making your neck appear very slim. So that's a good tip. Pro tip.
With the bronzer?
Bronzer or contour, but I prefer bronzer because it looks a little more natural. And then to finish out the skin, we have to do highlight, because highlighter really accentuates the right places. So of course I'm going to use my Casey Holmes Smashbox palette. These are my favorite highlighters in the world. As you can see, I fit pan on pretty much all of them. Okay, so I'm just going to put this at the tips of your, or the highest points of your face. So when the sun hits your skin, you get a natural glow there, and it also just brings a lot of life back into your skin.
Wait, my skin must look dead.
No. But when you put on makeup, it can look, you know,
I know.
corpsey.
My skin looks corpsey.
You don't want it to. And I always highlight the Cupid's bow. And a little bit on the chin. Oh yeah, highlight is popping.
The eyes are it.
Yes, so we really want to keep it bright so your eyes look as awake and open as possible. So I'm going to go in and use my little color switch.
Oh, so that gets the eyeshadow off.
$3 at TJ Maxx.
I need one of those.
Clean sweep.
She's
$3 at TJ Maxx. For her, I really want to keep it light and neutral and natural, so I'm going to go in with the Aspen Ovar Tarte palette because this is like so beautiful and I feel like I can do a lot with her eye.
We're not doing the icy watermelon.
No, we're not going to do icy watermelon on you. So I'm going to go in with Santorini Sands to really build up her crease color. What I want to do is put like a super bright shade, like not bright, but like a lighter shade all over your lid to really brighten up your eyes. Because you want it to be like when you wear your glasses so you can see.
Well, I try to put lighter shade.
Yeah, you do. That's what I like to do on your eyes. But see, you can already see the definition of her eye just by crease colors. So I'm still going in with High School Sweetheart and Santorini Sands. We're just gonna build up her crease shade. And I don't like to blow my eyeshadow out at all, like some people do. Some people like to blow it out. I don't. So I'm gonna take this little e.l.f. brush, which is actually a crease brush.
My favorite.
Yeah, it's a really good brush. I'm gonna pick up Road Trip. This is probably the deepest shade we'll use, but I do want to add some definition to our outer corner. Oh yeah, this looks good. Especially under the beauty lights, you can really see everything. So for her lid, I want to go in, like I said, with a really bright, fun shade. So my favorite one to do all over the lid is to take ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in Fluffy and just apply it with my finger. Because this is going to be a really pretty gold shade. That looks, so close your eyes and I'm just going to pull up this a little bit. I'll just apply this all over with my finger because it really makes you look like you spent like hours doing your makeup when you did a 5-second step. So you can just tap this on with your finger, and these are $5 and they're the best makeup thing. I recommend these to everybody because it makes it look like you tried really hard when you actually did it. I feel this. This is their highlighter. This is what their whole formula is feeling.
Oh wow.
Isn't that cool?
That is nice.
I love it. Okay, so now I'm going to really highlight her because I want to really brighten up the inner corner. So as always, I use my Carly Bybel BH Cosmetics palette because I just love this white shade for really highlighting. But I am going to mix it with a little bit of the gold since she's darker skin tone than I am. I'm going to skip eyeliner because that tends to close off your eyes and that's against what we're going to do.
So I don't need eyeliner.
No, you can do the nude waterline.
Yeah, I do that.
So that's good because that really brightens up your eyes.
I do that.
I do that. But just to finish this off, fill in your brows. Which have good brows. They're not sparse.
Oh, look at them.
Just lightly give them some color back. Yeah, hers are pretty full.
Used to be there.
I'm gonna do a little bit of Essence / Princess.
Yeah, I have some of that.
So good.
I don't want to get it on your...
How do you get it from being clumped?
Well, if you put it on and you do see it's clumped, just run a spoolie through it. I did this best as I could.
Little eyes.
See, that's why I have a skinny mascara that you should use because it has a really tiny wand, like a micro wand.
Oh.
And that works really good. You look good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You look really good. Very bright and awake. This isn't glossy, but it's not matte. Oh yeah, this is a good color. And we could always top it off with something else.
Uh-huh.
No, I didn't. Okay, just smack your lips together a few times.
Send Sam a picture.
Look good. Do you need to see that? You want to see yourself up close?
Sure. Yeah, go out.
And with, oh yeah, girl. Oh yeah. Wow.
Makes your eyes pop.
Yeah, and that, I mean, these really are easy because you don't even have to do like crease shades. You can just do this. Look like you've gotten a full 14 hours of sleep.
14 hours.
A full 45 minutes.
Full 45 minutes of sleep.
Nice.
Okay, oh yeah, setting spray. Let me just set you a little bit.
Yeah, I don't use setting spray.
Yeah, I'm loving your eyes.
Oh, me too.
Oh yeah, girl.
Great. Woo.
Can we fan her off?
Yeah, girl. I'm shook. My wig flew off. I'm shook to the core. I'm snatched.
Yeah,
I'm
get that
snatched.
attitude in there. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed seeing me do a quick little glam on my aunt. If you did enjoy it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And say thank you so much to Lee for being on my channel today and getting a quick little glam with me.
Bye.
If you did enjoy it, she's just like, peace out. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Bye.